Welcome back to Product Critique, where we delve deep into the best beauty products on the market. Today, we're talking about the Wet n Wild Ultimate Brow Micro Eyebrow Retractable Pencil. And let me tell you, if you're searching for the best eyebrow pencil for dark skin tones, you've come to the right place. This eyebrow pencil boasts a precise and ultra-fine 1.5mm micro tip, perfect for drawing on the tiniest lines to mimic the appearance of natural hairs. Not only does it deliver impeccable precision, but it also offers a matte finish for a polished look. Now, let's talk application. Start by using the spoolie end to brush your brow hairs up, creating a clean canvas. Then, with the micro-fine tip, draw in tiny hair-like strokes for added dimension and depth. The result? Beautifully defined brows that look effortlessly natural. And when it comes to value, you can't beat it. Comparable products may cost you double or even triple the price. But with the Wet n Wild Ultimate Brow Micro Eyebrow Retractable Pencil, you're getting top-notch quality without breaking the bank. To sum it up, if you're in the market for the best eyebrow pencil for dark skin, look no further than the Wet n Wild Ultimate Brow Micro Eyebrow Retractable Pencil. With its precise application, long-lasting formula, and unbeatable value, it's a must-have in any makeup arsenal. That's all for today's review. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more beauty tips and product critiques. Until next time, stay fabulous.